one of the things that I find challenging to do about this, if you're trying to do it rhythmically, is counting 3 rotations in 4 beats can be difficult for some people. So what I do, instead of trying to count the rotations, is I count the rotations with the inspin, but I'll count the petals with the anti-spin. And what you do is you count the outermost portion of the petal. So when I'm counting anti-spin, well, I guess I'm doing overhand with right hand here. When I'm counting anti-spin with it, I count at the tip of the petal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I'm counting with inspin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can hear the difference in the rhythm of how I counted those. And that way you're maintaining a consistent count of 4, which is relevant if you're spinning to most music, which is 4 on the floor. I mean, not always, but